Estimations with operations. Objectives. Estimation of sums, differences and products. Introduction. An Air Asia flight travels from Chennai to Kuala Lumpur and back to Chennai daily. The distance from Chennai to Kuala Lumpur is 2,642 kilometers. How many kilometers were travelled by the flight in a week approximately? Chennai to Kuala Lumpur, 2,642 is rounded to 2,600, nearest 100. Kuala Lumpur to Chennai, 2,642 is rounded to 2,600, nearest 100. Total distance 5,200. Distance travelled in 7 days, 5,200 into 7 equals to 36,400 kilometers. Let us learn how to estimate the sums, differences, products and quotients of numbers. Illustration 1. Estimate the sum of 31,573 and 23,343 to the nearest 100. For 31,573, we are rounding this number to its nearest 100. That means we look at tens place digit. Tens place digit is 7, which is more than 5, so it is rounded to the next 100. 31,573 is rounded to 31,600. Similarly, 23,343 is rounded to 23,300. The estimated numbers are 31,600 and 23,300. The sum of 31,600 and 23,300 is 54,900. So the estimated sum is 54,900. Illustration 2. Estimate the difference between 94,582 and 41,356. For 94,582, we are rounding this number to its nearest 100. That means we look at tens place digit. The tens place digit is 8. It is more than 5, so it is rounded to the next 100. 94,582 is rounded to 94,600. Similarly, 41,356 is rounded to 41,400. The difference between 94,600 and 41,400 is 53,200. Illustration 3. Estimate 5,742 minus 469. We round off to hundreds. 5,742 rounds off to 5,700. 469 rounds off to 500. The difference is 5,200. Estimation of products is much simpler and ordered. Whenever we need to estimate the product of two numbers, we start off by rounding off each of these numbers to their greatest places. Further, we multiply these rounded numbers. This product is our estimate. For example, estimate the product of 489 and 84. We round off nearest hundreds. 489 is rounded to 500 and 84 is rounded to 80. Now, 500 into 80 equals to 40,000. Thus, 40,000 is our estimate for the product of 489 and 84. Estimating quotients. Round off the divisor and the dividend. divide the rounded off numbers in your mind. Compare your estimate to the actual answer. Estimate the quotient of 567 divided by 23. For 567, we are rounding this number to its nearest hundred. The tens place digit is 6. It is more than 5, so it is rounded to the next hundred. 567 is rounded to 600. For 23, we are rounding this number to its nearest 10. The ones place digit is 3, which is less than 5, so it is rounded to the same 10. 23 is rounded to 20. Now, we will find the estimated quotient. The estimated numbers are 620. The quotient of 600 divided by 20 is 30. The estimated quotient is 30.